Welcome to Improve Instantly. In today's video, we're diving into the beginner's guide to nutrition. Whether you're looking to understand the basics of healthy eating, kickstart a new diet, or make better food choices, this video will provide you with the tools and insights you need. We're here to help you overcome common nutritional challenges and achieve your health goals with practical, actionable advice. Stay tuned till the end for a quick actionable cheat sheet on Beginner's Guide to Nutrition. Section 1. Why this topic matters. Understanding Beginner's Guide to Nutrition is crucial for establishing a solid foundation for healthy eating. Many people struggle with conflicting diet advice and confusing nutritional information, which can lead to poor food choices and ineffective dietary habits. For instance, research shows that having a clear understanding of nutrition basics can lead to better dietary decisions and overall health improvements. By focusing on nutritional essentials, you can build healthier eating habits, improve energy levels, and enhance your overall well-being. This section will explore why addressing these issues is essential and how it can lead to significant positive changes in your life. For example, understanding macronutrients and micronutrients helps in creating balanced meals that support both physical health and mental well-being. For instance, explain how grasping the basics of nutrition helps you make informed choices about your diet, leading to improved energy levels, better digestion, and overall health. Section 2 to 8 Essential Tips for Nutrition Beginners. Tip 1. Understand macronutrients. Learn about the three main macronutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. For example, carbohydrates provide energy, proteins support muscle repair, and fats are essential for hormone production. Tip 2. Incorporate a variety of foods. Include a diverse range of foods in your diet to ensure you get all necessary nutrients. For instance, eating a mix of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats helps cover your nutritional bases. Tip 3. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to support overall health. For example, aim for at least 8 cups of water daily, and more if you're active or in hot climates. Tip 4. Practice portion control. Be mindful of portion sizes to avoid overeating. For instance, using smaller plates and paying attention to hunger cues can help manage portion sizes and prevent excess calorie intake. Tip 5. Read nutrition labels. Pay attention to food labels to make informed choices. For example, look for products with low added sugars, high fiber content, and balanced macronutrient profiles. Tip 6. Balance your plate. Aim for balanced meals that include a source of protein, a serving of vegetables, and a whole grain. For example, a balanced plate might include grilled chicken, a side of quinoa, and steamed broccoli. Tip 7. Plan your meals. Prepare meals in advance to ensure you stick to healthy eating habits. For instance, meal prepping for the week can help you avoid unhealthy convenience foods and make better choices. Tip 8. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how different foods make you feel and adjust your diet accordingly. For example, if you notice that certain foods upset your stomach or leave you feeling fatigued, consider modifying your diet to include more foods that make you feel good. Section 3. Overcoming common challenges. Even with the best tips, challenges can arise. Common obstacles include conflicting nutritional advice, busy schedules, and food cravings. For example, navigating different diet trends and maintaining healthy eating habits with a hectic lifestyle can be challenging. To tackle these, consider focusing on balanced, evidence-based nutrition advice, setting realistic goals, and finding quick, healthy recipes. Addressing these issues head-on will ensure you make consistent progress and achieve your dietary goals more effectively. For instance, if busy schedules make healthy eating difficult, provide tips for meal planning and quick, nutritious recipes. Quick actionable cheat sheet: Beginner's Guide to Nutrition. Understand macronutrients. Learn about carbohydrates, proteins, and fats and their roles in your diet. Incorporate a variety of foods. Eat a diverse range of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, proteins, and fats. Stay hydrated. Aim for at least 8 cups of water daily. Practice portion control. Use smaller plates and listen to hunger cues to manage portion sizes. Read nutrition labels. Choose foods with low added sugars, high fiber, and balanced macronutrients. Balance your plate. Include protein, vegetables, and whole grains in each meal. Plan your meals. Prepare meals in advance to stick to healthy eating habits. Listen to your body. Adjust your diet based on how different foods make you feel. Conclusion. To wrap up, remember that Beginner's Guide to Nutrition is all about establishing a solid foundation for healthy eating. Incorporate these tips into your routine to see real improvements in your dietary habits and overall health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.